The 2023 Bad Boy Mower ZT Avenger, the superhero of your yard. We took our most popular ZT Elite and created our biggest value zero-turn mower. The ZT Avenger offers multiple engine options and deck sizes, giving the owner the perfect mower for their property. The ZT Avenger's foundation begins on a 2x2-inch fully welded 11-gauge unitized steel frame, built to the same standards as our commercial frames in a residential package. With the heaviest built deck in its class, this 7-gauge, 3/16 of an inch, all steel, all welded, fully fabricated deck also has a 3/8-inch leading edge for additional strength and a 1/4-inch side plate. The ZT Avenger is built for amazing cut quality and durability. Step on the deck and compare to other mowers in this price range. The ZT Avenger has dual hydro gear ZT 2800 series integrated drive systems with 10cc piston pumps and 16cc piston motors, as well as spin-on hydro filters, making this machine easy to service and built to last. Our heavy-duty cast, maintenance-free spindles are completely pro class for added durability and life. The ZT Avenger features the easy-to-use deck lift pedal and deck dial height adjustment combination to allow the operator to dial in the perfect deck height. The ZT Avenger comes standard with our comfort seat that also lifts for easy maintenance and cleaning. The adjustable Ogura PTO clutch brake on the ZT Avenger has the maximum torque and cutting power for its size, with longer life and adjustable air gap. The ZT Avenger also features a 6.5-gallon fuel capacity, so you have plenty of fuel to get the job done without stopping. The 20-inch rear tires on this machine are larger for better control, hillside stability, and a better ride. The 2023 Bad Boy Mowers ZT Avenger. For more information, go to badboymowers.com.